In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the passenger side window and lock switch assembly on this Dodge Ram 1500. Located on the passenger side door, let's get started. With a trim tool, let's pull up on the switch panel, and you want to go kind of all the way around it, slowly lift it a little bit at a time. Now typically I would recommend a plastic trim tool, however, sometimes a metal trim tool in this case works better because you don't have much area to grab onto, so you can't have it bend the trim tool. It has to be able to pull it up. Just be careful not to scratch anything. Once you pull this up, you'll see the electrical connector on it. Press on the tab and disconnect it. Make sure this doesn't fall into the door. Take the new switch, reconnect it, make sure that clicks and is locked in, and slide it down. These metal tabs is what's going to lock it in. It's got two on this side and two on the other side. Press it down all the way. Now you can test it out, and off you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.